Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the broken screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer around the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The best place to apply the suction cup is along the sides of the screen. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut through the adhesive. Take your time during this step and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to separate the adhesive. Please note that some tablets may require extra heating to fully loosen the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to the right hand side so it can rest on the body. Next, remove the tape covering the connector. Lift the latch and slide out the cable to disconnect and free the screen from the body. Next, remove the 5 screws securing the charging port board. Carefully lift the board and disconnect the cable to free the faulty charging port board from the body. Next, connect the cable to the new charging port board. Place it into the position and secure it by reinstalling the 5 screws. Next, connect the LCD screen assembly to the body. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, add glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Next, install the screen. Gently slide the screen into place from bottom to the top and press lightly along the edges to secure the screen. Finally, we add in bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.